welcome back to another video. Starting off in the truck, in the work clothes, just got off. Just got the email saying my package was delivered. So as you saw in the last video, I got the train horns, air horns and Texas, the 3 trumpets set up, but I did not get the whole kit with the air horn and the onboard compressor and all that. So that just got delivered to the house. So we're gonna get a look at that and probably see how we're gonna mount it up. I'm very excited. I wish I could go ahead and do it today, but we're gonna check that out. It might be done tomorrow, and this might just be a 2-part video. But I'll catch y'all at the house when we unbox this. All right, back at the house. Y'all see Millie. It's Glizzy right here. That's my brother's new pup. She's staying here for a while. Dang, look at those ups. Okay. Anyway, horns that I showed y'all in the first video. Out on the video before this. And now I finally got my VR onboard system. This is ultra light duty. I did not read this right. So I will be upgrading soon, but this is just so I can get these installed because I'm tired of looking at them. I might go with a bigger tank if I ever decide to upgrade, because this is rated at 100 PSI, 105 max. Those are rated for like 150. So we'll see. It'll still be pretty loud. This will be my first time installing anything like this. I've never done it before, but let's get it unboxed and see what we're really working with. We got everything laid out, except for the bag of hardware. I ain't quite ready to open it yet. Horns. The air tank is tiny. It's a 1 gallon VR system. Definitely gonna have to get upgraded. And air compressor and hardware, everything's gonna need to install this. Like I said, I'm not gonna get into it tonight. This is probably gonna be a 2-part video. Stay tuned. All right, so I lied. We are gonna start installing some of this stuff off the truck, so it'll already be done. But from the instructions, everything looks pretty simple. Your main air compressor go into this side. Then you got, open this stuff up. Got the air hose, fuse, some extra wire, relay, fittings, screws, more fittings, and more screws. So let's go and do the easiest part. Mind all the trash I got right here, but you got all of the fittings, even the drain cock at the bottom, mounted up. Got the wire coming to the back. I think what I'm gonna do is mount it in the bed right now. I'm not sure how I'm gonna mount it. I just want to really hear this thing tonight, so I want it underneath the truck, but right now I'm not sure how it's gonna be, but I got this. Okay, after I get the wire straight. From the last part you seen, the next day I went out to a Funky Monkey. We got the train horns wired up and mounted in a location. It's not its final location. That's what we're about to do now. But it wasn't that hard. Like I said, it was just, you know, it was a lot of wires to run. I still got to mount things in its final location and move some of these wires to a better location. I had to get different hose. I think I'm running like transmission line right now, fuel line is what I'm running right now. I had to go to my job and get some because the line that come with the compressor didn't fit the fitting on the horns, so now I got to order some of that because I really would like to use that line because that's a real air line right there, and it's the thick like plastic kind, and that's easier to locate than the hose I'm using right now. And you know, just like I said, I got school. I did edit and post that comeback video, update video for y'all, and got that posted. This one is about to get edited after we get done here today, and I'm gonna post that tomorrow. And I got some more to y'all after this, but let me go and show y'all how we got it mounted right now. Let me show you what we got as a setup right now. Like I said, we're about to clean all this up, make it look a whole lot neater, but it's been like a week that it's been like this, and it's getting on my nerves. And I finally got time to adjust this and get it right the way I want it. But got two switches, one for the compressor on and off, and one for the horn. This was just a whole lot easier to me. I'm about to probably make a cutout right here for both of them, or I might put one on that side and one on the other side. I probably could just do both of them right here side by side. It just depends. And get those tucked away nice and neat like the rock lights are. And I'm thinking about just getting a multi-toggle switch off of like Amazon that got like 5 on 1 or something, and just putting it all on one switch will look a whole lot better. I don't know how much more stuff may be getting wired to this truck. I doubt it'll be a whole lot more, but if it does, then that's probably what I end up doing. But ended up running all of these, you know, switches go to the battery. You ground them out. I got them grounded out down there. And then the horn and compressor wires are going through the floor pan, running along the edge of the truck, through the back of the cab, going into your bed, into the toolbox. So that's the hose that came with it. It did not work. It worked for it fit my tank but not my horns, and I got to go through and put a closed fitting on this side because the pressure switch is only if you wiring it by the like book and gonna have it cut on and off when it gets full. Here are the horns. I ran out of black wire, so I ended up grinding it out with just a red one, and then the white wire that's running to the cab of the truck, which is probably gonna run through here, drop down, because I'm gonna mount this where my my spare tire would go, and then ground this out. This is the ground for the compressor, which is in the toolbox, and that's aluminum, so it does not have a good ground point. But I might drop that wire and one of these caps going underneath the truck and ground it somewhere down there. But that's what about jumping to now, is undoing this and getting it under the truck. Tire used to be, I haven't had one since I owned the truck because got aftermarket wheels shortly after, and it was no point of having it under here. It's a bolt right there. About to take that off. I think that's the only bolt that I can see. Then I have to take this piece off and get it out of the way, and then I'm gonna mount it up right here after I get that off. But let me go and get that, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like mounted. Okay, got the horns mounted under the truck, and that was a workout. Now I'm about to grind it out, run that power cord to it, and hook everything back up. And I might go and clean the bed out. All this rust is getting on my nerves. I need to get it painted. I would love to get the frame painted. One thing I might do though is take this hitch off and go get it powder coated. Well, let's see. Okay guys, so got the horns mounted and wired back up. Need to go through and put some wire loom on those wires, just to keep the heat from eating them up, but I'll do that later. Right now I had a bunch of extra wire, so where it's entering the cab, whenever I put the switch back in, I might just take this one off and chop it if I need to make it shorter, or if I need to move it, the switch somewhere else. We'll figure that out later though. But got that ran, everything zip tied up. Now move back to the tank. Which is in the toolbox. I'm probably about to take this whole toolbox out, sweep this bed out, get it looking good. I might bring the pressure washer out and clean it up because it's looking dry and nasty. Okay, so I got all the wire ran for the compressor, the horns, everything. Comes on now. Haven't finished the switches yet because I got to go get some more airline now. So now I'm either gonna go to Ace or Lowe's and see if I can find some line to work for the horn in the compressor, I mean the tank, and then I'll be able to put these away. So I guess we going to spend some money. Say hey, Millie. All right, so that was your daily dose of Millie. I ended up getting everything ran, and I could have kept it the way it was, but I heard air leaking by the train horn, so I ended up getting that dialed in. And in the process, I wasn't on a creeper or anything. I was just on the ground, and there was an ant crawling on me, and you know, your skin just start crawling and you feel nasty. So I had to hop in the shower and get that taken care of. But everything's ran now, except for the switches. I still got those hanging right here, and the car in front of me is swerving. That's why I'm like paying mad attention. But got everything ran except for the switches, like I said. And I might not do it this video. It just depends. I'm thinking about just going ahead and ordering one of those multi-toggle switches off of Amazon. We don't have one down at work. It's weird. I don't know why. I think we would have something like that in store, but we don't. So everything's ran. I did blow the horns in the neighborhood a couple of times to make sure everything was right, and it's loud as crap. So that's why we're going to the park, so I don't have any neighbors start hating me if they already don't. But we're gonna go to the park. I'm almost there. I'll catch y'all at the park. Alright, we at the old level park, where the channel started. I think I was here when I talked about my lift kit. Only park I come to, in Red Oak Park, top two parks in the area. Old P. Randy truck. I really should review his truck on the channel. It's very nice and subtle. Alright, So I'm at the part, as you can hear, the compressor's filling up. About to hit these, post y'all up right quick so you can hear. Alright guys, that's going to end this video at today. Next video will be coming next week. I want to say it's either going to be me changing my upper control arms. I'm going to show you how to do that. Because that squeak, that's where I think it's coming from. If it's still doing it after that, it's something in a rack opinion. But we're going to go with this. It'll be a whole lot less time consuming and cheaper. And we got another video coming where a new coworker I got just moved up from Tampa. He had a detailing business. He's gonna do a detail on my truck inside and out, buff, polish, get these scratches out, and we also probably gonna repaint the front bumpers that I did before, because he said the middle part he can match on my grill and make it glossy, and we're gonna get that looking good. Pretty much the truck, you know, it's little things I keep adding here and there, but, and I say it every time, I think I'm pretty much done. Only other thing I know, I'm probably gonna be getting some new tires here shortly. I love Nittos, so that's probably what I'm gonna stay with. I've heard Toyo's really good, but I'm gonna be upgrading them to 35s, and the 33s I had got right before I lifted the truck, so that's why I haven't even been in a rush to get them. But I think we're going ahead and do that, and that's pretty much gonna be it. And also probably bigger tips, because these little ones do look a little wacky, but it is what it is. But stay tuned for all of that. For a sneak peek, you can follow my Instagram. It'll be right here, got.knowledge. And remember, hit that like button, subscribe. It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.